With the Swiss Coupon Pass, you benefit from various 2-for-1 offers along the Grand Tour of Switzerland worth over 4,500 Swiss francs. This is Tim. He arrived in Switzerland 2 days ago. Before starting his adventure, he prepares his digital Swiss Coupon Pass. First, he opens the welcome email on his smartphone and clicks on the download link. Your digital Swiss Coupon Pass is now ready to use. Tap the information button now. Click on the link to choose and download your favorite coupons. Select your coupons now. Tim chooses his preferred voucher and opens it. For more information about the coupon's conditions and directions, tap I. While walking in town, Carol and Tim receive a geo alert from Pass Wallet, reminding them to use one of the coupons. Awesome! Tim and Carol decide to have lunch. They redeem their coupon together with the waiter before paying. One tap activate and you're ready to pay. Your coupon will turn purple after being redeemed. A voucher can only be used once. Tim and Carol are happy. They enjoyed a delicious meal and saved money.